How to add friends without Facebook in the Monopoly Go game. If you are wondering on how to add friends without using the Facebook or connecting it to the game, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto friends right here at the bottom, just right here. Now for your information, I don't have added the Facebook on the Monopoly Go game, so I have simply disconnected the Facebook account. Now to add friends, here you can simply find the friends right here. Now to add them, simply tap on to invite, just like this. And after inviting them, they will simply accept your invitation and you can simply add them, or you can simply add friends by their friend code. Now tap on to search bar right here and tap on your friend code. Now you can simply add the code of your friend and you can tap on to search and add them as a friend. And that's it. This is how you can add friends on the Monopoly Go game without the Facebook. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.